Hey folks, you know what burns my ass? I just bought these tires from Costco. Alright, I brought them in to have them changed out from Costco. See this? TPMS service pack. They charged me for it. Alright, for 2 of them. Now look closely. You guys know what the GPMS service pack is? You can tell it was never done. Okay? Service pack includes a new cap, a new O-ring seal, because you got to take the TPMS out, put a new rubber seal in, and it comes with a new cap. You can tell by the amount of dirt and grime that's on it, this thing was never even spun off. Okay? Let's look at the other one. This one, same thing. Look carefully. You can tell that was never even touched. So what they did was just throw a set of tires on here and got me for the service packs. Don't get me wrong, I don't remember how much I paid. I don't know, probably less than $10 each. But that's what burns my ass. I'm gonna let them know, because I'm sure they'll say bring it back and we'll change it for you. But that's not the point. That is not the point. That's what burns my ass. Ciao. Hey, look at this. You didn't even put the cap on right. Come on, man. That's the way it goes. So the lug nuts will fit in there. Very disappointed in this sale. Very disappointed. That's what burns my ass. Ciao. Oh, and by the way, if you don't know what a service pack looks like when it's done, that's what it looks like. See that? It's when you do it yourself. In the front tire that I did. Okay? This is new. The washer is new. And of course the rubber seal that you don't see is new. Alright? That is what's done. And this is not done. Okay? You can see it was not even moved. There's too much gook around it. Alright? That's what I mean, people. Alright? If you have work done at a shop, make sure you know what kind of work what kind of work is being done, and make sure it is done because you paid for it. Alright? Thanks for watching again. Ciao.